Hey there travel fam, and welcome to our New Zealand South Island road trip. In this series, we take you to some of New Zealand's most beautiful places. So hit that subscribe button and let's go! French cars! In this episode, we wake up in a freedom camp spot at Lumsden.
It is a car park in a small town in New Zealand's South Island.
Yes. You're doing monkey bars.
It was simple, but had everything we needed, with clean toilets and a playground for the kids to play in.
Ah, good job. Meep meep. Ah. Now we are going to drive to Queenstown, which is about a 90-minute drive, and we're either going to go to the Luge or just drive around Queenstown just to see what it's like. So we are trying to go to the gondola. Summer, get in the window. Summer. Summer. It is 1:40 in the afternoon and I cannot find a parking space. Cars can't even find parking spaces, and the caravan is going to struggle to even find a parking space in Queenstown.
Yellow lines, can't park. Oh, but we can't park there, that's the driveway. We hit the jackpot.
Yeah.
The bad weather is our good luck charm.
Now slow it down, you're gonna go around the corner. Slow, 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 slow.
Push button. Ah.
The gummy bear. We're gummy bear. Dad, look, we saw them today. Daddy! I'm ready to get out. Open the doors. Open the doors. Attack that doggy! Puppy gang! The story!
It is freezing out there today. It is colder here than anywhere we've been. Is it colder than Slope Point? We were so cold in Slope Point, we thought that was the coldest we'd be. But we've got like, I have 2 t-shirts on and 2 jumpers, and that was cold.
Great.
Our final stop of the day was to Arrowtown. It is an old town just outside of Queenstown that Dale wanted to visit. We went to check it out at night to see if it was worth going back to during the day. We ended up really enjoying walking through it at night. It looked really nice with the street lights on, and we had it all to ourselves.
Come crashing to my window pane. Come startle me in my cage. Oh, sparrow freedom, wake me from slumber. Remind me to turn the page.
We were just driving along to our campsite and we saw the turnoff for Arrowtown, and it's a small historical gold mining town. What are you doing? And we just stopped during the night to see if it was worth coming back during the day, and the night is very pretty. What are you doing? It's got all the lights out, and it's a very nice little walk, historical town, and we might come back tomorrow. And what are you doing?
Our freedom camp spot for the night was Crown Range Summit.
It was the closest free camp to Queenstown, but we did not realise how steep and windy the drive was to get to it.
This is the road we're going up. The views from the top in the morning were worth it though.
Oh, it is so beautiful.
Oh, joy, come and dance with us tonight.
Hey, are you doing 35?
20.
Oh, sorrow, move the tape.
No, it's tiny in there. I don't know if the camera will see it, it's so dark.
Oh, please bring your fiddle and the banjo with a few good strings. And set our mouths singing and set our feet dancing with a giver